Hey everybody, hope everyone's doing good today. So today I'm going to show you how to remove the push button start right here. Now if you're wondering why you're going to have to remove this, well, if you're having issues with it, say it doesn't work, instead of taking it to a dealer, it's an easy thing to pop this off and see if it's even getting power to the wires. And then you'll know you have a faulty push button module. It's easy to do too. All you need to do to pop this off, if you see this trim piece right here, you just put your fingers right between it and pull, and it's gonna pop off here. Okay, take some force, you're gonna pull back towards yourself. A couple good pulls, and you'll feel it unlatch there. And then work your way to the left side. Okay, it's hard to do with holding the camera, but let me go ahead and take this off real quick. You pull it straight back. I don't want to bend the clip. Okay, so it's pulled right here. If you see, that's how it's held on with just those clips. And then go ahead and unplug the wire harness. And then here's what you got. Okay, so if you're having problems, check this and make sure you're getting power to it. If you are, then you know your problem's in this push button module. They do get bad once in a while, and you'll have a faulty unit because you do push them all the time, depending on how many times you start your car and stuff. So that's something good to look at before taking your car to the dealership. You can avoid a lot of money just by buying a new one if that's all it is and replacing it. So here's how you get it out. It's really easy. So you push those pins on it. These two pins, just push them in, and you're gonna push forward, and it's gonna slide out. There you go. So there's the module. So like I said, if you're having issues, say sometimes you push it and it's not really starting, check it. If you're getting power to the wire, you could just buy a new module right there, put it in, and it might solve your problems. And these things aren't that expensive. They're about $45, I would say. And then here's a trim piece. You know, a lot of times with these push button mechanisms, the more you push them, sometimes the contacts inside go bad, and so it doesn't make a good connection, so it can be faulty. So, you know, that's if you're, like I said, not on the brand new ones, I wouldn't think, but if you have 100,000 miles on your car and it's having issues, it's a good thing to check. And then you get the new one, just push it down and it pops in place. And it only goes one way too, so it'll be perfectly aligned. That's it. And then you just connect it. The connector only goes one way. Snap that back in and push it all back together. And that might solve a problem if you're having. You know, it's good to know how to take that off. Okay, guys? So maybe that'll help you out and save you some money. Hope everyone's staying safe out there, doing good. I appreciate all your support. I really do. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.